Hi students, welcome to Simplified Chemistry YouTube channel. We are discussing about the alcohols, phenols and ethers. In last video, we have discussed some properties, chemical properties of alcohols and phenols. These properties are nothing but the laboratory test for alcohols and phenols. In this video, we are going to study some different chemical properties of alcohols. We are today discussing here the chemical reactions of alcohols and phenols due to the breaking of oxygen-hydrogen bond of the OH group of alcohols and phenols. So let us start with the first property, that is acidic nature of alcohols and phenols. So what do we mean by breaking of OH bond? We know that in alcohols and phenols the functional group is the hydroxy group, that is the OH group, and in this OH group the oxygen atom and hydrogen atom, they are bonded together by means of the single covalent bond. And if such alcohols or phenols are reacted with different reagents, then in chemical reaction the covalent bond between the hydrogen atom and oxygen atom is removed, is break, and the product is formed by the removal of this hydrogen atom from the OH group of alcohol and phenol. Such chemical reactions are known as reactions involving breaking of OH bond of alcohol and phenol. So first chemical reaction which involves from the breaking of OH bond is acidic characteristic of alcohols and phenols. So we know that which compound is called as acid, the compound which gives proton in its aqueous solution, then that compound is called as acid. लेविस ऍसिडच्या कन्सेप्ट नुसार एखादा सबस्टन्स जेव्हा आपण वॉटर मध्ये डिझॉल्व करतो तेव्हा त्या सबस्टन्स ऍक्वेस सोल्युशन आपल्याला मिळतं आणि त्या ऍक्वेस सोल्युशन मध्ये त्या सबस्टन्स मधून जर प्रोटॉन बाहेर पडला म्हणजेच H+ आयन त्याने जर गिवन आउट केला तर अशा कंपाऊंड आपण काय म्हणतो ऍसिड्स असं म्हणतो. आणि तीच प्रॉपर्टी अल्कोहोल्स आणि फिनॉल्स मध्ये आपल्याला कशा प्रकारे मिळते, त्याचा ट्रेंड काय आहे तो आपण या केमिकल रिएक्शनच्या माध्यमातून अभ्यासणार आहोत. तर इथं आपण बघूया अल्कोहोल्स आणि फिनॉल्स या दोघांची ऍसिडिक प्रॉपर्टीची आपण तर तुलना करणार आहे, आपण कंपॅरिझन करणार आहे. सो फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस द ऍसिडिक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अल्कोहोल्स अँड देन वी डिस्कस द ऍसिडिक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ फिनॉल्स. In examination question will be asked like this: why phenols are more acidic than alcohols in their aqueous medium? म्हणजे aqueous medium मध्ये alcohols पेक्षा phenols हे का जास्त acidic असतात हे तुम्हाला विचारलं जाऊ शकतं. तर त्याचं उत्तर आपल्याला शोधायचं किंवा त्याचं आपण पाहणार आहोत. तर पहिल्यांदा जर आपण पाहिलं, when we dissolve the alcohol or phenol in the water, then what happens? There is a formation of alkoxide ion from alcohols and phenoxide ion from phenol takes place. So first we consider here in aqueous medium, the aqueous medium मध्ये जर आपण पाहिलं alcohols are neutral, means they does not give H+ ions and therefore they are neutral. Why they are neutral in aqueous solution? So let us consider here when we dissolve these alcohols in the water. When you consider this is the alcohol and when it is dissolved into the water, then there is a formation of alkoxide ion. There is a formation of alkoxide ion by breaking of this bond, oxygen and hydrogen bond between the of the OH group, and we get here the alkoxide ion plus H3O ion. So this alkoxide ion is formed. This alkoxide ion is destabilized. It is not stable. It will be destabilized. Why? Due to the electron donating effect, electron donating inductive effect of this alkyl group. What do we mean by electron donating inductive effect or plus effect of this alkyl group? We know that when there is a formation of bond between carbon and oxygen atom takes place in the alcohol, the shared pair of electron is shifted towards the oxygen atom due to the more electronegativity of this oxygen atom than the carbon atom of alkyl group of alcohol, and hence the this ion which is formed, this alkoxide ion is destabilized due to the such property of this alkyl group to donate or to shift the electron pair toward the oxygen atom. Such effect is called as the plus I effect, and hence alcohols does not ionize much more in the water. त्यामुळे त्यांचा वॉटरमध्ये आयोनायझेशन होत नाही, कारण ऑक्सिजनवरती निगेटिव्ह चार्ज येतो आणि तो निगेटिव्ह चार्ज असल्यामुळे ऑक्सिजन आणि हायड्रोजन यांच्यामधला जो बॉन्ड आहे तो थोडा स्ट्रॉंग होतो. तो बॉन्ड स्ट्रॉंग असल्यामुळे हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होण्यासाठी कमी चान्सेस असतात and therefore alcohols are neutral in nature. But what happens in phenols? So when you consider the acidic nature of phenols, then it is observed that it is found that phenol shows weak acidic nature or weak acidic character in the aqueous medium. म्हणजे फिनॉल जर आपण पाण्यामध्ये डिझॉल्व्ह केले तर ते पार्टली डिझॉल्व्ह होतात, पार्शियल डिझॉल्व्ह होतात आणि त्याच्यापासून आपल्याला स्टेबल असा फिनॉक्साइड आयन मिळतो. सो फिनॉक्साइड आयन विच इज फॉर्म व्हेन द फिनॉल इज डिझॉल्व्ड इनटू द वॉटर, दिस फिनॉक्साइड आयन इज स्टॅबिलाइज्ड बाय द निगेटिव्ह चार्ज. त्याच्यामध्ये असा जो फिनॉक्साइड आयन तयार होतो तो फिनॉक्साइड आयनचा जो निगेटिव्ह चार्ज आहे तो निगेटिव्ह चार्ज त्या इलेक्ट्रॉन पेअरचं रिंग मध्ये डिलोकलायझेशन होऊन काय होतो, स्टेबल होतो. म्हणजे समजा हा जो फिनॉक्साइड आयन इथे तयार झालेला आहे, this peroxide ion, when you consider, then the electron pair or this negative charge is shifted from oxygen atom to the inside the ring, and this peroxide ion is stabilized inside the aromatic nucleus, and there is a formation of stable phenoxide ion takes place in case of phenols, and such weak alkoxide ion is formed in the alcohols. So alcohols are neutral in the aqueous solution, but phenols are weak acid in the aqueous solution due to the formation of stable phenoxide ion in the aqueous solution. This is the reason why phenols are more acidic than alcohols in the aqueous solution. Now we are going to study the second chemical reaction, which involves the breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond in the alcohol, and this reaction is called as the esterification reaction. What do you mean by esterification reaction? In this chemical reaction, esters are formed. How they are formed? When the alcohols are reacted with carboxylic acid, that is R-COOH, they are reacted with acyl chlorides, RCOCl, or when they are reacted with acid anhydrides. When alcohols are reacted with carboxylic acid, then they are reacted with acyl chlorides, or when they are reacted with acid anhydrides, then the esters are formed. Then the esters are formed by the breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond of alcohol. Such reaction is known as esterification reaction. So what is esterification reaction? A chemical reaction in which when alcohols are reacted with carboxylic acid or acid anhydride or acyl chloride, then there is a formation of ester. This reaction is known as esterification reaction. This reaction is also shown by the phenols. When the phenols are reacted with carboxylic acid or acyl chloride or acid anhydride, then also the esters are formed by the breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond from this phenol. Such chemical reaction in which esters are formed is called as esterification reaction. So esterification reaction may be defined as a chemical reaction of alcohols or phenols with carboxylic acid, acyl chloride or acid anhydride to form ester is known as esterification reaction. So in this chemical reaction we will consider now how the esters are formed. from these alcohols and phenols. In the definition, we discussed that the reaction of alcohols with carboxylic acid to form the ester is known as esterification reaction. Now consider here first general reaction between the acid and alcohol. This is the carboxylic acid R-COOH. So in this reaction, R- is the alkyl group. When it is reacted with alcohol, alcohol is represented as ROH. For our convenience, we write it as R-O-H. How the chemical reaction takes place? During the chemical reaction, OH group from carboxylic acid and hydrogen atom, by breaking the bond between oxygen and hydrogen atom of alcoholic OH group, they will combine together, and here we get the compound that is R-C-double-bond-O, R-C-double-bond-O from acid, carboxylic acid, and the remaining part is O, R from the alcohol, and this compound is called as ester, plus there is a formation of water. This hydrogen atom from OH group of alcohol, second hydrogen atom from OH group of carboxylic acid, and oxygen. So we get here water. Such chemical reaction is known as esterification reaction. In this reaction, acid is reacted with alcohol. The bond between oxygen and hydrogen atom is break, and there is a formation of ester by joining this alkoxy group to the carbonyl group of this carboxylic acid. We get the ester. Such reaction is known as esterification reaction. Esterification reaction मध्ये काय होतं? कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिडची अल्कोहोल बरोबर रिएक्शन होत असताना अल्कोहोल मधील OH ग्रुप मधला ऑक्सिजन हायड्रोजन बॉन्ड ब्रेक होतो, आणि इकडे ऍसिड मधला OH ग्रुप आणि इकडचा हायड्रोजन यांच्यापासून वॉटर जनरेट होतं, आणि आपल्याला ईस्टर मिळतं. या रिएक्शनला आपण एस्टरिफिकेशन असं म्हणतो. इथे एक एक्झाम्पल घेतले आपण. ऍसिटिक ऍसिड CH3COOH, ऍसिटिक ऍसिड व्हेन रिएक्टेड विथ मिथिल अल्कोहोल. तर काय रिएक्शन होणार आहे? OH group from acidic acid and hydrogen atom from methyl alcohol, they form water, and the remaining part is as is CH3 from this acidic acid, then carbonyl group C-double-bond-O. This is the part from acid part, then the remaining part is O, and then the CH3 plus H2O. So we get here this ester. The name of ester is methyl from methyl alcohol, and this is the acetate ion. This is the acetate ion. So it is methyl acetate. So this is the ester. Such reaction is known as methyl acetate. जो आपण ऍसिटिक ऍसिडची रिएक्शन मिथिल अल्कोहोल बरोबर घेतो, तो ऍसिटिक ऍसिड मधला OH ग्रुप आणि मिथिल अल्कोहोल मधला हायड्रोजन यांच्यापासून वॉटरचा मॉलिक्यूल जनरेट होतो, आणि मग रिमेनिंग पार्ट जर एकमेकांना आपण कनेक्ट केले तर मिळणारा कंपाऊंड कोणता असतो? ईस्टर. व्हाय इट इज कॉल्ड ईस्टर? बिकॉज इट इज द कंपाऊंड हॅविंग द फंक्शनल ग्रुप C-double-bond-O, that is COO, and this compound is called as ester. Then see second example. In this reaction we take acetic acid as a carboxylic acid and alcohol as a ethyl alcohol. Similarly reaction takes place here also. OH group from acidic acid, that is from carboxylic group, and hydrogen atom from OH group of the ethyl alcohol, and the remaining part is combined together. We get here CH3 C-double-bond-O, and then ethyl group from alcohol plus H2O. The compound form is ethyl, and this is the acetate part, so it is known as ethyl acetate, and this is the example of ester. So in this way esters are formed by the reaction of carboxylic acid with alcohol by breaking of OH bond of alcohol. This reaction is known as esterification of alcohol. Now we consider the esterification reaction between the acetic acid and phenol. So phenol also behaves as alcohol. In phenols also there is a breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond takes place and there is a formation of water takes place. So how the chemical reaction takes place? When acetic acid is reacted with phenol, then the reaction takes place like this. OH group from acid part and hydrogen from this phenol, they will be eliminated in the form of water and we get the compound that is CH3, C double bond O, then O and this phenyl group. So plus H2O. So this compound is phenyl acetate. Phenyl group is attached to this acetate group, so it is the phenyl acetate and it is example of ester. Here also we take the example of aromatic carboxylic acid and phenol. So in this chemical reaction also OH group from this benzoic acid and hydrogen atom after breaking the bond between oxygen and hydrogen are eliminated in the form of water molecule and we get the compound that is C double bond O. So this compound is phenyl benzoate plus there is formation of water. So phenyl acetate and phenyl benzoate, these are the esters and these esters are formed by the reaction of phenol with carboxylic acid, aromatic or aliphatic carboxylic acid, and the reaction is known as esterification reaction. Now second method of formation of ester from the alcohol is formation of ester by the reaction of alcohol or phenol with the acid chloride. What do you mean by acid chloride? When OH group of carboxylic acid is replaced by the chlorine, then the formed compounds are known as acid chloride. When such acid chloride is reacted with phenol or alcohol in presence of pyridine, then the reaction takes place by breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond of phenol and removal of the chlorine atom from the acid chloride. We get the compound that is R dash C double bond O and here the phenyl group plus HCl. So this compound is formed is nothing but the ester and this reaction is known as esterification reaction. In this chemical reaction the HCl is formed and this HCl affects the yield of the product, that is the ester, and therefore to neutralize or to remove this HCl from the reaction mixture we are using here pyridine as a base. Similarly, when acid chlorides are reacted with alcohol, then what happens? Hydrogen atom by breaking of bond between oxygen and hydrogen and chlorine atom from this acid chloride, they form the HCl and remaining part will be gives us the compound that is ester plus here HCl, and to remove this HCl from the reaction mixture we are using the base that is the pyridine. So this reaction is also known as esterification reaction. Now take example, when acetyl chloride is reacted with methyl alcohol or methanol, then how the reaction takes place? There is a breaking of bond between oxygen and hydrogen and there is a breaking of bond between the carbonyl carbon and chlorine from acyl chloride and we get here the HCl, and this excess of HCl is neutralized by the base that is pyridine and the remaining product is CH3 C double bond O from this acetyl chloride part, then OCH3 from this methyl alcohol plus here HCl. So we get here ester as methyl acetate. This is the reaction. Similarly, when acetyl chloride is reacted with phenol, then how the reaction takes place? Here also breaking of bond between oxygen and hydrogen and carbonic carbon and chlorine. So we get the compound CH3 C double bond O. Then here phenyl group is attached to this oxygen plus HCl. We get here the compound that is phenyl acetate. So in this way we can prepare the esters by the reaction of alcohols or phenols with the acid chloride. Here we are going to study here one important point, that is the preparation of aspirin. Aspirin is an important medicine. It is also known as the generic medicine. Aspirin is acetyl derivative of salicylic acid. How it is prepared? It is prepared by the acetylation of salicylic acid by using acetic anhydride. So this is the acetic anhydride. When salicylic acid is reacted with acetic anhydride, then there is a breaking of bond between oxygen and hydrogen of this OH group of the salicylic acid takes place, and we get the compound which is known as aspirin, and the important byproduct as CH3 C double bond O OH, that is the acetic acid. So when salicylic acid is reacted with acetic anhydride, then it gives the compound which is known as aspirin. Aspirin is the acetyl derivative of salicylic acid. So what is the reaction? COH group of this salicylic acid remains as is. There is breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond from the OH group. So this form, and there is a formation of important byproduct as acetic acid, and this compound is formed which is known as the aspirin. So in this way today we have discussed about the chemical reactions of alcohols and phenols due to the breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond.